Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Boiling with Birds. Today I thought I would go around and show some of the habitats around the garden. This is the Lake Mälaren. Today is very nice weather. It's April the 2nd or 3rd I think actually. So here you have a lot of water, which is good for bugs and then good for the birds. And if we pan a little bit to the left, then we can see some more reeds, good for those kind of birds. And we can see oak trees and some other variants as well. So it's quite a good mix of different habitats here. I think over in that direction, if you were to zoom in, maybe you can't see it, but it's a big hill there or a smaller mountain with a lot of spruce trees. And here's pine, of course, as well. So from the open areas to the forest areas, and then with sand, there's a beach over there. I show the beach. There, if we zoom in, is the beach. So it's actually a very good spot for different kinds of birds to come to. And if I'm silent, when I'm silent, I think you can hear bird songs in the distance. So let's see how many birds we can see in this area as well, besides from the bird houses themselves. I thought I would make a count of what kind of birds are in the area, and then make a list basically, and then I can show you the list later. And there was actually a bird in the water. They're flying in. Yeah, this should be fun and exciting, so stay tuned, and until next time, have a great time. Bye bye.